one line on his back. You have the two hands and the head that faces the shore of an Indian Ocean, and you have the two legs. So as you know, the first European to arrive in Mombasa was Vasco da Gama in 1498, but he stayed here for only a week because the people of Mombasa were not friendly to him, so he sailed towards the north of Malindi, where he built a Vasco. He ordered an Italian architecture by the name Joao Battista Cairati to come to build this port in 1593. So it was built in 1593. Up to date, it's 432 years old. So he was accompanied by the first captain, which was called Matthias Mendes de Vasconcelos. He was the first captain in Mombasa, but the last captain in Malindi. So we have 3 eras. The Portuguese era, who lived here for almost a century. And we have the Oman Arab, that is the middle era. So after the Oman Arabs take over fort, some of the walls were 15 initially, but they extended 3 meter high, make it 18, like this wall. You can see that. This is the colonial watchtowers. We have almost 8 of them, where they provide a vantage position vigilance against threats. So this was the ammunition store, armory, place yenye anaweka hizo vifaa. But it was also used as a bunker. In case there is any bombardment is happening, they hide themselves here.